Welcome to South Carolina. We're at the old Camp Spearhead. It's abandoned. The Forestry Service is going to take it over and make some really nice trails out of it. So I want to show you a little bit. Abandoned Camp Spearhead. Here we go. Got some pretty neat stuff up in here. A little muddy, a little wet. We've had some rain lately. All right, so there's an old putt-putt golf course back through here, which is really neat. It's not been maintained at all, but they're working on it. They're gonna put some good trails back through here. Oh, here we go, check this stuff out. This is neat stuff. Fire pit area. We're just gathering, camping. I don't know if they're gonna still keep all this stuff when the park does all its renovations. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit overgrown. Uh-oh, we got something that you can see. Whoa, there's a big old tree right there falling over. Let's see if we can circumvent that. I got my jump pads extremely tight now, so it's really super hard to get your feet in when you get started. But I tell you what, once they're in, they're in. I like that about the jump pads. All right, here we go again. All right. Woohoo! Motored right over that. Some neat stuff up in here. Yeah, it's a little slippery up here, so I'm gonna be a little bit more cautious and lift this over this time. Oh, almost dropped the camera. Neat stuff up in here. It's real slippery too. Watch out your terrain. Watch out for what you're riding on. Another nice waterfall. I don't know if you guys can see it through the bushes there. And a little sitting area. I guess this is where people would sit down and listen to the ranger or whomever was leading the hike and talk about the area. I wish I could have been here at that time. This is awesome, guys. Look at this stuff. Ooh. I'm pressing my luck today. The reason why I'm pressing my luck today is we got some thunderstorms moving in. Pretty heavy ones. Let's do this thing. Once the Park Service comes and starts to clean everything up, this is going to be a beautiful area. Oh, look at that. It's an old horseshoe pit right there. Let's go back. think this is still part of the putt-putt area. Pretty neat. This is what cutting the trail is like. Whew, through the briars and everything. Wow. Woohoo. All right. All right. Check this place out. I got stuff all on my wheel. Hopefully it doesn't stay with me too long. There we go. It's pretty neat. Imagine playing putt-putt back here in the day. Oh, oh. Wow. That putt-putt grass is slippery, man. Woo. Oh. That putt-putt grass is slippery. Got me there. I didn't realize it was so slippery. Whew. All right. We're gonna go back out of the putt-putt area and show you another part of the camp. It's pretty neat. Check it out. Not many people get back through here. Oh. A little overgrown. See if I can follow the path. Oh man, go back. I don't think there's much a way to go. And the thunder is just growling above. Hopefully the thunder and lightning doesn't hit my Insta 360. That would suck. Whew. Got something stuck in my wheel. Drives me crazy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Here, let me stop right here real quick.